Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. Today we are going to learn part 2 of Ganesha Kautuka. So if you haven't learned the part 1, I will link it over here as well as in the description box below. At this point in the Kautukam, we start with the shloka. I'm going to recite one line and then I'm going to show you the mudras, how we are going to do it. So the first line is Ari Tiru Murugane Vigna Vinayaka. Ari means Hari. We are going to stand in a Samapada position and show the Tripataka nearby your chest. Okay? So Ari Tiru. Tiru means pure. We are going to use Hausasya for that. Pure. Murugane, nephew. So we are going to use a kind of a Sarpashirsha Hasta and show a boy like this. Murugane. Okay. Now you have to remember that with the hand gestures you have to show the expression also. So Ari Tiru Murugane Vigna Vinayaka. Vigna, obstacles. So we have learned that in Kartari Mukha Hasta Viniyog already. Vigna Vinayaka. It destroys it. Vigna Vinayaka. So the whole line will look like this. Hari Tiru Murugane Vigna Vinayaka. This is the first line. So the second line is Vinaykeda Aruliya Ganapati Jaya Jaya. The whole line means whatever we wish to work or the good deeds we are trying to do, you appear there and you support us, or you have appeared to clear our obstacles. Okay, so we are going to use Mukula and Alapadma to show that the wishes, what you want to do. So first I am going to do it right diagonal, so you can do it your right diagonal. Willing to do. Vinaykeda Aruliya. You bless us. So I am going to use the Sarpashirsha Hasta again. Bless us, or Pataka, little bit of bended. Bless us. You can use Pataka also. Like that. Ganapati Jaya Jaya. Now here we are going to use the trunk and the ear again, Ardha Chandra Hasta. So I am going to sit in Aramati position and put my right foot on the heel so that you can do it this way. So let me do it mirror and show it to you this way. Oh, my right is this, yours is this. Ganapati Jaya Jaya. You are going to do Jaya Jaya. So here you can actually use the footwork. So your right foot can go towards the diagonal and left on Agratala straight. Okay, while you are doing this movement. Towards the left also same you can do. This way. I am not doing mirror image, so you can do your right and your left. Vinaykeda Aruliya. Join your right leg to the left and stand in Samapada position. Placing your hands as a blessing in Pataka Hasta. Aruliya. Now Ganapati. I am going to sit in Aravanti position and put my right foot on Anchita, left in Samapada position. Right hand Mukula, left hand Ardha Chandra. Ganapati. Take a pose nicely. Ganapati. Now the right foot you can place it in Samapada position and left you join. Okay. Like you're walking forward. Ganapati Jaya Jaya. Now these two lines we are going to repeat, but there is a footwork which is involved. Okay. So first one is Ari Tiru Murugane, that line. So what we are going to do is we are going to use Ta Tai Tai Ta Dhit Tai Tai Ta. We are going to learn the footwork first and then I am going to change little bit hastas, so watch carefully. Okay, so we are going to do Ari Tiru Murugane. Now we are going to do Vigna Vinayaka Takka Dhimi Tai. Tak takka dhimi tai. Now from here we are going to go back diagonally. Tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam. So you can either place your foot like how you have learned tai tai tam, tai tai tam, tai tai tam, or you can cross back tai tai tam, tai tai tam. So after doing right and left, you will end up over here. I'm not doing mirror image, so you will have to guess the directions, okay? Do exactly opposite. Tai tai tam, tai tai tam. While doing this tai tai tam, we have one gap over there, okay? So tai tai tam, gap. Then here we are going to attach the high. Di di tai ta, di di tai ta, di di tai. You have learned this in Ginatom already. The combination is little different. So it's exactly opposite of Tadi Ginatom. It's Ginatom, Tadi Ginatom, Tadi Ginatom. Like that, okay? So Ginatom, Tadi Ginatom, Tadi Ginatom, ta. Now, let's do the whole thing with the footwork itself, okay? So we are going to do, we are going to start with the right foot. So your right foot. So it starts Aritiru Murugani Vigna Vinayaka Vinay Keda Aruliya Ganapati Jaya Jaya. Now on this we are going to change the hastas little bit. So we are going to show Parvati over here. Right hand down, left hand up. Ta tai tai tat for ta tai tai tat. Dhit tai tai tat. You are again going to show Parvati's son, okay, which is Hari's nephew. So ta tai tai tat, dhit tai tai tat. Now here we are going to show, like, take Ardha Chandra, two Ardha Chandras, and press it on each other to show the worry, or the sadness, or the negativity, or the kind of all the bad feeling which you have. He just takes it away. So from Mukula to Pataka. Tak dhimi ta. Now from here we are going to do tai tai tam, ek tai tai tam for Vinay Keda Aruliya. So Vinay Keda, again you can show Vinay Keda or Vinay Keda. Whatever you are wishing for, what you want to do, what your good deeds are. Vinay Keda Aruliya. Again you are going to use the same hasta, pataka, blessing hand. Vinay Keda Aruliya Ganapati Jaya Jaya. For this you can use hasta again. Ganapati, you have appeared. So from top to bottom. Ganapati Diditai ta Diditai Jaya Jaya. So the whole thing will look like tai tai tam, tai tai tam, Diditai ta Diditai ta Diditai. Let's do the whole thing again, and I'll try and sing for you. Aritiru Murugane Vigna Vinayaka Vinay Keda Aruliya Ganapati Jaya Jaya. Aritiru Murugane Vigna Vinayaka Vinay Keda Aruliya Ganapati Jaya Jaya. I hope you like this lesson. If you like it, share it, subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.